instant cash, passive cash, residual cash. Can you use some of that, guys? Hey guys, my name is Adrian from Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Guys, I finally completed my Cash App Rotator $100 rotator. So every sale you would make $100. Let me say that again. Every sale you would make $100 from my efforts, guys. Now I'm only gonna accept 20 people, 20 in Milwaukee, Wisconsin area. 20. That's all I can accept right now because I want to get each 20 people that start at that $100 rotator, 4 people. And out of 4 people, guys, you're gonna make maybe a couple $1,000s from your $100. And then I'll move on and you get off the rotator, and then I'm gonna upgrade the rotator to the 250 level, guys. So don't worry about that. But the first 20 people that join my team, guys, will be on my rotator. And I'm in Milwaukee. I'm gonna start in Milwaukee first, and then I'm gonna move on to Racine, Green Bay, and different locations in Wisconsin. I'm gonna start with Milwaukee first, the first 20 people that join my team. And how I'm gonna advertise this, guys, is through postcard marketing, guys, that you can see. These some of the postcards right here, and they're very cheap, guys. So more like the 20 people, I'm gonna use that money to advertise to make sure you get sales. And these the postcards, that's the back sides right here, and they very affordable, guys. For example, 2,500 postcards is only $134, and $35 for the back side. So roughly about 170, 180 tops, and that's perfect to me right there, guys. Okay, guys. Now I made this page for the Wisconsiners that joined my team, guys. You're gonna watch this video right here. This the Cash App. Make $100 to my Cash App when you join my team. Pay the small admin fee to the owner. I believe it's only $10, guys. Call me or text me so your link will be added to my $100 rotator. P.S. Don't start higher than the $100, guys, because that's what my rotator is starting at, the $100. Plus, everyone that joined my team will get this page I made for free. So let's keep on seeing the page I made. How does the Cash App work video? Receiving money online right here, guys. Now, the second part of the business, guys, is the conversion pros. Now, to grow your instant business above this video with all the marketing tools on one platform, plus earn residual commissions every Friday by giving these tools for free. So just watch this video, guys, and you'll see. Come down and watch the other part of the conversion pros. Now, this business too. This the residual passive income, guys. They pay you every Friday, guys. Right here, guys. So make sure you watch this video and join here or join here. All right, guys. If you want to start make money in 2020 with the Cash App, residual money, passive money, and also instant money, guys. Just click them links, guys, and I'll see you on the other side. All right. Have a blessed day.